Digest, Children's Atlas of the Universe. Our solar system. At the center of the solar system is the enormous sun, which makes up 99.9% of the solar system's mass. Orbiting the sun are the 8 planets, along with smaller bodies called asteroids and comets, all controlled by the sun's powerful gravity. Just as planets orbit the sun, most planets have at least one moon orbiting them. The 4 largest planets also have rings. Saturn's being the biggest and most famous. The 8 planets travel in the same direction, almost on the level or plan. Their orbits are flattened circles called ellipses.
Ellipses.
If a planet had a perfectly circular orbit, the distance between the planet and the sun would always be the same in an ellipse. What's this?
Elliptical.
In an elliptical orbit, the distance varies. Mars, for example, travels as far from the sun as 155 million miles or 249 million kilometers, and as near as 129 million miles, 207 million kilometers. But planet orbits are still much more circular than the orbits of comets. Some comets have such
Elliptical
orbits that they travel from the
scorching
scorching
zone